How to fix archived stories missing or not working on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to fix archived stories missing or not working on Instagram. So for that you have to just go to your Instagram app and then you have to click your profile icon on the bottom right corner, and now click these two horizontal lines on the top right corner, and then you have to just scroll through and find your settings over here. So you have to just scroll down and choose this help option. You'll find this under more info and support. In case you don't find it, you can always come to the search bar and search for help. So I'm just going to go to this help section over here, and once you're over here you have to click report a problem. And now you have to click report problem without shaking, and here you have to click don't include and continue. Now you have to simply explain briefly that you want to fix archive story not showing, and then click send on the top right corner. And once you do so, Instagram is going to contact you in 48 hours and is going to fix your problem for you. And that's how you do it. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.